Hi BP Free Crazy Eights friends. So I'm going to show you today how to get to your club. Okay, so this is the teacher view of how it looks like on Teams, and I am using the Teams desktop app. Okay, but it looks the same for if you're using the Teams using the internet browser app. So let's say that I am in 3rd grade plutonium, which is my element. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm on my general channel, and up in the top upper left-hand corner, right, up in the top upper left-hand corner, I'm going to click all teams. It's going to shake me back to this page right here, which is going to say teams in the upper left-hand corner. I'm now going to select DL 2020 PEOP all grades. That's going to be my club channel. None of my information about my clubs is going to be posted under my element. I need to go to the all grades. It's going to be the red square that's going to say DP in it. I'm going to click on that. Now, if I was on general, that's where my online character assembly posts are, but it will also be where my different clubs are. Now, if I was in my Crazy Eights club and I was, say, I'm 3rd grade plutonium, I'm going to go over to a side channel, and it's going to come over, if I put my mouse over it, and it says Crazy 8 Math Club 3rd and 4th grade. I'm going to click on that, and it's going to have different week 1 things, and it's going to have posts from my friends on that. Okay, so please make sure and double check that you are in the correct grade. So if you're a 1st and 2nd grade friend and you can see 3rd and 4th, please let your teacher know, or let Miss Wilhelm or myself know, and we can fix that because sometimes friends get assigned to the wrong channel. Okay, my name is Miss Moore, so you can find me, or you can find Miss Wilhelm. Okay, and you're going to see all different types of posts, different things like that. Okay, all right. I hope to see you guys soon for 3:45 on Wednesdays for 1st and 2nd grade. And if you're in 3rd and 4th grade, I will see you on Thursdays at 3:45 here on Teams. If you have not picked up your materials in the front office, please make sure that you do as soon as possible so that you can join in on the fun, because we're going to have some really amazing activities, and I look forward to seeing you all very soon. Bye.